lesson 25. Let's get started with our 4 times table. Ready to practice? Here we go. Say it with me. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. 10 times 4 equals 40. 11 times 4 equals 44. 12 times 4 equals 48. Very good. Now we're going to practice our measures. You ready? You guys are doing so well with these. Here we are. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Nicely done. Now I'm going to set my clock, but I want you to tell me where my hands need to go. And hopefully my clock will behave better this time. Okay, so I want to set my clock to 11:35. 11:35. So let's start with my minute hand. Where should my minute hand go? Well, we need to count. We count by 5s. So our 12 is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So my minute hand goes to the 7. Woo, all the way down here to the 7. So it is it is at 35. Now my hour is 11. So now I need to change my hour hand. Do I put it right on the 11? No, because it's a little bit more than halfway through the hour. So I need to put it about halfway between the 11 and the 12. So now my clock reads 11:35. If it's 11:35 in the morning, is it AM or PM? AM, very good. Now I want to set my clock to 7:15. 7:15. So let's start with the minute hand again. Where should my minute hand go? Well, let's count. 12 is 0, 5, 10, 15. So my minute hand goes to the 3. Now it's 7:15. Where should my hour hand go? Keeping my minute hand on the 3, my hour hand goes to the 7. But should it be right on the 7? Oops, it's not even right on the 7 yet. Should it be right on the 7? No, it should be a little bit past because it's 15 minutes past 7. So just a little bit, not quite halfway yet. So it's 7:15, there he goes, 7:15 on my clock. Okay? Excellent job. All right, let's look at our lesson part for today. So that's the end of our review. We are learning about how to multiply with 3 digits on the top. So I have 1, 2, 3 numbers up top. And I'm going to be carrying as I multiply. It's done just like you do when you have 2 digits on the top. So it's done the exact same way. Look at my numbers in green. 375 times 2. I start with the 2, and I start with the first number that's above it, which is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Very good. So I put my first digit below my 2 and carry the 1. 10. Now I multiply my 2 times the next number. 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Good. I add it to the 1 that I carried. 14 plus 1 is 15. Put my 5 down here, carry the 1. Now I multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1, 7. So my answer is 750. Let's do the next one. 524 times 3. So I start with my 3 times the number right above it, 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So I write my 2 and carry my 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now I have 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Do I have anywhere to carry my 1 to? Nope. So I just write the 1 right next to it. So my answer is 1,572. And that's what you're going to be doing on your homework today. There's 2 more things about your homework that I want to show you. This right here is what you'll find in section 3, where it says write the missing terms. So I have what minus 3 equals 5. When you see a problem like that, and you're looking for the starting number to subtraction, when you go backwards, all you have to do is add. So I have what minus 3 equals 5. So I add. 5 plus 3 is 8. And that's the answer. 8 minus 3 is 5. So I go backwards adding to find my answer. That does not work if you're missing the second number in a subtraction problem. 13 minus what equals 9? Well, here you just have to switch it. 13 minus 9 is 4. So that means 13 minus 4 is 9. So there you have your answers, okay? You may not even have to think that much. You might just automatically know what the missing number is, and that is great. Okay? So, excuse me for 1 second. There we go. My phone had a notification. Okay. One more thing that I want to show you about your paper. On page 50 of your paper, number 5, it says, show each fact 4 ways. I want you to put a big X over that. You do not have to do that problem, okay? You don't need to do that section. A and B, 6 times 4 equals 24, and 5 times 4 equals 20. You don't have to do it. Put a big X, don't do that part. Okay? So now you can complete your page, all right? If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day, guys. Love you. Bye.